We've already installed PyCharm and Python in a previous video. If you haven't watched that video and need help with it, you can find it in the hint or in the description below this video. Here is our Python version 3.10. You can see that we only have version 3.10 available for use. In this video, we will download the latest version of Python and add it to our PyCharm. When we need the latest version of Python, we need to go to python.org. This is where you can download the latest version. If you need a specific version, click here and look what you need. As you can see, there are many different versions. Even Python version 2 is available, but we need the latest, which is version 3.12 at the time of this recording. We can also download it from here. Click, wait and install. Make sure to check this box. It's essential so that the path to our interpreter is added to the system, allowing us to call it from different places. For instance, from the PowerShell, choose Install Now and start the installation. Installation is complete. Let's restart PyCharm. Now let's connect our new Python to PyCharm. Create a new project, and now we are offered a choice of two Python interpreters. Choose the newest one and create the project. Now we see we have version 3.12. Let's run this script and make sure everything works. As you can see, everything is good. See you in the next videos. I'd appreciate your subscription, likes and comments.